You were born together, and together you shall be forevermore. Let there be spaces in your togetherness, and let the winds of the heavens dance between you. Love one another, but make not a bond of love.
Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of your souls. Fill each other's cup, but drink not from one cup. Give one another of your bread, but eat not from the same loaf. Sing and dance together, and be joyous, but let each one of you be alone. Even as the strings of a lute are alone, though they quiver with the same music.
Give your hearts, but not into each other's keeping. For only the hand of life can contain your hearts.
And stand together, yet not too near together. For the pillars of the temple stand apart, and the oak tree and the cypress grow not in each other's shadow.
I will search for your heart.
As a child, I would always get scolded by her. Even when she was 2 years old, 3 years old, that I still have those baby videos of her. She's standing and washing her feet in the bathroom, and she's cleaning every toe meticulously under the tap. And she's calling her for dinner, and I'm trying to tell Navya, Mommy's calling you for dinner, let's go for dinner. And she said, can't you see I'm cleaning my toes?
दूसरा जो मेरी याद है उसकी जो बहुत उसको एक गाना था बॉर्डर फिल्म का, ये गाना पता नहीं क्यों उसको बहुत पसंद था. He used to love it. एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि ये बहुत नाराज हो गया या इसको चोट लग गई, बुरी तरह से रो रहा था, और इत्तेफाक से क्या हुआ कि उसी वक्त ये गाना रेडियो पे बजने लगा. एंड सडनली ए चाइल्ड हु वाज वीपिंग हंसने लगा, इतना खुश हो गया.
Feel the earth beneath. I will stay by your side, so close you cannot hide. Yeah, child, I won't let you go. We are home.
It was coincidental, but I think with the two of us, it was an instant spark. I think when we started talking, we wouldn't stop talking. And it was long distance from the get-go, but somehow that didn't seem to make a difference. Like the distance just didn't seem to matter because we were constantly in touch. We were constantly texting, we were constantly on the phone. We always knew what was happening in the other person's life. Almost instantly from the start, we were just in sync. Like he didn't have to tell me what he was up to, I would just know, and vice versa.
I felt that Navya was very protective of me. Like it felt like a motherly protection more than like a sibling friendship. And if there was anything I needed to share, I'm very comfortable going to Navya. And she's an incredible sister. She's honestly very, very friendly. If I think back on the days when she was very protective, that was just out of the kindness of her heart. So she was a very, very protective sister. And now we're very good friends.
नहीं मैं समझने लगा, दिल भी धड़कने लगा, नहीं मैं गलत रहा जे।
So I feel like in many ways the stars kind of aligned. It was meant to be. I feel it. I felt it the minute I met him. But yeah, we did exchange numbers and it was because it was an instant spark. It was because we kept talking. And I knew that in some way he was special. And that's all I knew. I didn't know if he was the one. I didn't know what this was going to turn out to be. Maybe it would be a really great friendship for all I know. But I just knew he was special. And I just somehow wanted him in my life in whatever capacity I could. I wanted him in my life.
I think personally my relationship with my brother, as kids we were always fighting all the time. So as kids you tend to view your brother as your opponent in that sense, because you're fighting and we both want to win. And I remember that one day I got into a fight in the colony while playing football. During this fight what happened was that my brother left everything and he came to my side and he fended that other guy off who was significantly elder to me. And which is when I realized that oh yeah, he's on my side and he always has been on my side.
Build fences high and hope we let it fly.
One of the best things about Navya, among the many other great qualities she has, the fact that she is very wise. That even at the point of conflict, she has the wisdom to step back. And third is the fact that she genuinely does care. More than a wedding between two people, I believe it is a marriage of two families. And what I'm honestly glad about, one day before my marriage, is the fact that families till 6:10 on the 27th are getting along like a house on fire.
Come on, let's raise the sun and make this place a home. The world will say they just begun, so let your love run free. Let your love run free. Let your love run free. I'll follow you, you follow me, to let your love run free. Grain into the ground, in pain it makes it sound. I once was lost, the one you found, so let your love run free. So let your love run free. 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 I'll follow you, you follow me, to let your love run free. Let your love run free.
Of course, Navya, you know that if there's something I want to say, I can just go up to your room and tell you. But for this particular set, one thing which I've been wanting to tell you is one of the things which I really have to change in my life is the fact that one additional person is becoming a part of me, and that is something which I honestly am looking forward to, sharing any and all of my life's experiences, where I come from, where I want to go, and to have similar experiences from your life. I really think that the absence of any anxiety on my part today stems from the fact that we share such a great bond, and I really hope this continues for as long as we get to live with each other. With that, you know how I feel.
Hi Avi, I just want to have a blast with you. I think that's what life and that's what marriage should be about, and I can't wait. Whether it's doing really small and simple things like binge watching something, or sitting up at 2 o'clock in the morning and eating ice cream, or it's the bigger things, I just can't wait to have fun. And that's what I'm looking forward to the most. I love you!